Welcome to watch today's fresh home. With a sense of detail, beauty, and material that is uniquely theirs, the interior designers at RMGB have given a new soul to a Haussmannian apartment, in a subtle shift towards 1950s Italy. It's a family with 3 young children. The parents work in the fashion world and have moved around a lot, living some in the countryside, some abroad when they decided to invest in a more family-friendly neighborhood. Here, 3 minutes from the Sacré-Cœur, in this quiet part of Montmartre and Avenue Junot, they benefit from an environment that is both residential and close to everything. The apartment is typically Haussmannian, with friezes and moldings, classic codes that they wanted to preserve, confides Guillaume Guibert, of the RMGB agency. After years spent elsewhere than in Paris or abroad, they miss the classic Haussmannian DNA. The roadmap is therefore clear for Baptiste Richemont and Guillaume Guibert. Their interior design work will have to capitalize on these typically Parisian codes, while fully investing in the place to bring their own touch.